Hey, you! Yeah, you. Do you work in HR or education? What about sales or marketing? Or even IT? How about literally anything in between? Okay, then stick around because this one's for you. Whether you host webinars, run online classes, hire new employees, or meet with your team, we have a solution that will boost engagement, ramp up communication, and reach your participants on any device and on any browser in today's product showcase. What's good, fam? It's your girl, Christy from AppSumo. And today we are talking about LiveWebinar, a cloud-based solution for screen sharing, live video streaming, and recording that'll boost leads and meeting participation with its super cool, super advanced features. Hey, Sumolings, just real quick, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss out on another business solution from yours truly, from AppSumo. Now let's jump in. With LiveWebinar, make your business communication easy and lightning fast, and best of all, customizable to your needs. Select a layout, choose your audio and visual settings, and determine whether or not your participants can, participate. With discussion, presentation, and Q&A options, LiveWebinar is functional for all of your video needs. One of LiveWebinar's key features is its customized branding. Meet your guests at the coziest room on the internet. With their branding tool, you can brand your room with colors, a banner, logo, and wallpaper. Let's check out some of LiveWebinar's special features within the Plus menu on the left-hand side. If you're looking to generate high-quality leads with webinars, make instant sales using the call to action tool. Just hit on Create New, fill out the form, and let LiveWebinar know where the button should link to. And if you're more into sharing your knowledge via video, use interactive features like the whiteboard, document storage, and screen sharing to engage your participants. Polls and quizzes also encourage interaction. Simply enter the question you want to ask your guest, fill in the answer choices, and select where the poll will appear on the screen. And finally, if you really need to make sure your team focuses on the meeting at hand, use the Presence Manager to nudge your participants to stay tuned in. You have the option to record all of your sessions, and any conversations taking place in the chat are automatically saved to your storage when the session ends. You can also use your storage for easy access to documents and files you need during your webinars. Sumolings, it's time you discover the ultimate way to reach your clients and train your team. Make the most of your meetings with the most advanced webinar platform, LiveWebinar. There we go. I can't believe this is a webinar tool. That is very exciting. I'm gonna hop on that one. Ribbit. Oh my God, 5,900 steps so far, Brandon. I didn't have time this morning to knock it all out. Because of you, I had to come here to see you.